So we've arrived at tonight's location. As you can see, we're in a massive forest. We've set up as camp, we've got us tents up. The next thing we need to do is set up a fire because mosquitoes are everywhere, aren't they?
Bloody hell! Get off my stick!
Denzel, will you stop it?
Denzel!
Jesus Christ.
Obviously, dog's dead excited, thinks we're playing a game, but it's a matter of life and death this. So obviously, get a nice patch and we're going to find some firewood.
What you got?
And get it started. Nope. Get that!
That's all we're going to have now.
Loving it, isn't it? Yep.
This one.
Just waiting for this fire to die down, and then obviously Trevor Pooley, the master chef, is going to knock us up a special recipe. We can't wait to show you what he's going to make us. We're all starving.
Come on, blow baby!
Ready for a coffee. Took about half an hour that.
That's took a while, hasn't it? Yeah.
But we're ready for
Old school tea making.
And then we're getting sausages, bacon, noodles, everything on the go. So we've got the sausages and bacon nearly done. The kettle's whistling and we've put beef noodles in there. So we're going to have a good feast here. Tonight we are camping in one of the most haunted locations in England, Cannock Chase. In 1086 this whole area became known as a royal hunting forest for William the Conqueror. It is believed that in this 17,000 acres of dense woodland there are numerous paranormal portals. And this has led to numerous sightings of ghostly apparitions, UFOs, aliens, Bigfoot and even werewolves. But the real reason we've come here tonight is trying to capture proof of a paranormal occurrence that happened over 30 years ago, the black-eyed child. It's believed that during the 1800s the girl had died from a diphtheria outbreak that led to sunken black eyes. It's an highly contagious infection that affects the throat, nose and even skin. So as camp's been set up, we've been here most of the day. As you can see, we've got a fire going, we've got a tent set up, we've got a nice clearing. Obviously in the morning guys we'll clear all this up and it'll be like we've never been here. We're just going to wait till it gets dark, we're going to do various experiments and hopefully we manage to capture something on camera.
Hear the devil calling. Hear the devil calling. Well, I hear the devil calling. Gotta pay him what he's due. I can't stop the dogs of war. I can't stop the dogs of war.
So I think at this stage guys we should just start calling out. We're going to use the iObulus app. Basically it's an Obulus for the mobile devices. We're looking for intelligent answers, direct answers to any questions that we may ask. If there's any spirits with us present right now, I want you to come towards our circle near the fire and directly speak to us. You can start by giving us your name, telling us how many of you there are. We're here to document the paranormal. My name's Kyle, this is Kelly, that's Trevor and Chantel. You've probably seen us setting up camp, we've been here hours.
Come and have a chat with us. Come and say hello.
Oh God. Shoes, that's it.
Shoes.
We know that there's numerous paranormal sightings here and we believe through research that this may be a potential place for paranormal portals. Sightings of UFOs, aliens, Bigfoot, werewolves and most importantly the black-eyed children.
Come talk, we're not here to harm you or anything.
Strange.
Yeah.
Come. It's like it's trying to lure you to me. Fear. Oh God. Strange come fear. Who are you referring to? Strange. Are you referring to us being strange? Doing this research? Right guys, so we're going to perform our first spirit box session now. This is a spirit box that was custom made for me by my friend from Happy Droid. It's basically like a PSB-7. It uses a real radio to scan through multiple frequencies. We're looking for intelligence answers and we're hoping to communicate with any spirits that are present here. So I'm going to turn this on, we're just going to let it roll. Are there any spirits with us right now? Yeah, you hear that?
Yeah.
Straight away.
And
I'm dead. Yeah. We know there's spirit here because you said yes once we asked. How many spirits are here? 10. That's a 10.
Sounds like
That is alright, isn't it? How many children were murdered in this area? Right, spirits. Once you turn on this K2 meter, it will detect your presence, your energy. So I want you to come close to this. Let us know when you're around. What haunts these forests? What is it?
Jack. Jack.
Say hello, Jack, if it's you. Keep trying. Say hello. Give us some intelligence. Do you know my name? What I look for? Yeah. Die that really evil one. Who are you?
I will.
Is Jack here right now? That's a bastard. He's a bastard before as well. Oh God, God, proper freezing. Oh,
Kyle.
oh my God.
What?
Went Kyle, crystal clear. It's on me, look at my arms.
Feel cold here.
Look at, feel me, feel like all that. Whoa, that maxed out, that's the side of it. Oh, it went full red.
Hello.
Oh.
Come talk to
Full
me.
red.
Come touch that box again.
Are you making it cold? Aye, that was kids' voice, did you hear that? You like? There, look.
There.
Hello.
Is that where you stood right now? Gone. It's gone warm again.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Ooh, let it out.
Dear.
I'm gonna go.
Who's that right there? Get your phone.
Oh, Lord.
There's some pictures there. Look,
Alright.
you said hi. What's your name?
What's your name?
Spirit.
What's your name? Use the box.
That's maxing out.
Keep doing it.
Try and capture you on camera.
It's gone cold.
Freezing again. Spirit coming back, did you hear that? Spirit coming back. We're here to capture proof of the paranormal. Is that what you're doing for us right now? That's weird, when every time it comes it goes freezing, I'm proper freezing. We've got a fire there, we shouldn't be cold like this.
Is humanity from
That's Nicky boy.
It's making full sentences here.
energy?
Energy.
Sport England have been held to.
Right guys, so what we've decided to do this time is do some more calling out, just with the K2 meter. I'm going to hand pan this camera around so I can see the woods and things like that. But we had some really strong activity. We tried to debunk everything. There's no reason why we should have been getting that strong a signal. We were getting cold blasts of air and it was absolutely freezing. All four of us felt it, and even Chantel was in the back of Trevor's tent. If there is any spirits here with us right now, I want you to come forwards once again. Come towards Trevor. Felt that device in his hand. Let us know you're here. Because you made us absolutely freezing.
If you want to come forwards, use the device in my hand, like you did earlier.
Come on, we know you're here. Every time we turn that device on, you're around. Is it because you're familiar and you know how to use it?
Just come and change the colours again for us.
Yep.
Yeah, saw something then.
You come and do it again for me, please. Use my energy. Just flicker the lights.
We just want to know the story of why this place is haunted, if it's a paranormal portal. We seem to get a spirit coming through spirit box known as Jack.
Yeah.
Said his name numerous times. Jack, if that's you, would you light up that device to show it's you? Show us that you're around. Or if it's what we believe was a negative spirit.
I'm expecting something to happen.
What, can you feel something like?
I don't know.
Jack, if you're here,
Just that change in atmosphere.
or any of the children of the forest, or any of the soldiers, just come change the colours on this, put some energy into this device for us. Change the colours like you was earlier.
Can you come towards me if you want to speak to me? If you do, can you give us a light? Manipulate the frequencies? Show us your energy?
I can feel you here.
Yeah, there's something in wait a
Cold,
time.
innit?
Frozen.
Like sudden drop of temperature.
Right, it's here now. Whoa, my God, this is it.
Come play with the box for us. Use my energy if you want me to.
This Jackie boy. Come say hello. Yes, look at the lights there. Keep pushing it if it's Jack. Oh my God, look.
Wow. I mean, look at that. That's strong energy.
Keep coming, Jack. Keep pushing. Did you die here, Jack? Go red if you have. Try and push it to the top. Oh my God. You died here then, yeah? There's just no reason for this other than something going on. Because he's just stopped now. He like kinda answered the question. Maybe Jack needs to build up more energy. We assume that your name's Jack due to the amount of times that we actually got it on the spirit box, isn't it?
Yeah, quite a few times.
Quite a few times, so it's going to be interesting to see if it comes back. But there are other people here. Come on, Jack, give us something. Really push that. Have you got something you want to say to us? If you do, make it go red. You can try and speak on this device. We might not be able to hear you, but this device will. It allows us to hear voices that we can't detect with our own ears. So if you want to say something, speak into this camera that I'm holding in my hand, this electronic device. What about the black-eyed children? Do they die of diphtheria? A disease that affects your throat, nose, skin, makes your eyes appear sunken. I believe the first sighting was spotted over 30 years ago. A young girl staring at people from within the forest. Are you here with us tonight? Right guys, we've come to the end of our investigation. We had some really weird stuff happen, especially with the K2 meter. It got very cold quickly and it was coming and going in waves. We heard a few different things going off. We thought we heard a whistle. Obviously we've got to review the spirit box session because we heard a lot of things on there, and I'm 1,000,000% certain my name was called. Something kind of sinister come through, really deep voice. It almost blew the spirit box out of my hand. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. Tonight we are camping in one of the most haunted locations in England, Cannock Chase. Hey, I'm not ready. Three, two, one. That's an outtake.
3, 2, 1.
God. 3, 2, 1. I forgot. I'm just going to get hit by an ember.
Got so many outtakes on there.
In 1086 they hit... Oh, fuck off.
Outtake.
But the real reason why we've come here tonight is to try... Oh, fuck off.
To try and fuck off.
Right. But the reason... Oh, fuck off. But the real reason we've come here tonight is to try and capture paranormal proof. Oh, fucking hell, fuck that up, isn't it?
It's alright. You're doing alright.
The black-eyed child.
Yeah.
Good talk. The black-eyed child.
Don't
So
talk.
I've got to get that. The black-eyed child. The black-eyed child. Right, 3, 2, 1. The black-eyed child. Hey, come on now. Get out. I'm gonna look over there and say it. So it's proper hard work, honestly. What?
It's just that serious, full on. The black-eyed child.
You've got to do it like that. Yeah. Right, 3, 2, 1. Let me get this bit out of the way. It's worst bit. The black-eyed child. Right, I'll do it. Wait, I'll calm down. I'll just get it.
I think it's just the way you look. It's like you turned your head and just dead serious.
I tried to look at you all to see who was going to laugh, but I want to Chantel last and she fucking... Right, 3, 2, 1, let's get this bit done. The black-eyed child. Right, so then we've done that. Thank God for that.
The black-eyed child.
Right,
It's like a big wide eye, look.
right, last bit. Last bit. That's on camera.